yesterday we had a possibility for a trend day down, but sellers couldn't get us anywhere lower after basically lunch. So we had this short covering rally in the end of the day, and overnight first tested the lows, which is quite surprising for me, and then we got even above yesterday's high. So this entire move got retraced back to basically square one, which is closing just before this holiday day. So for now this spike from Monday is holding, and we are just balancing slightly below it or within it. I'm not sure what's the information that market is waiting for, but for now we have this 3-day balance forming, and those highs, both yesterday's and Wednesday's, aren't that secure. We have two overnight highs as well, so I think we can have another attempt to get to 3600, where I'm not going to be that inclined to short for a swing trade, but regardless, I think that it should be given a chance for a trade because of the ranges. They are so wide that this can present decent opportunity. We tested the lows and bounced from this high volume node that formed last week, and for now it seems that this area is being defended, and since it is the last occurrence of rejection, now the opposite extreme is going to be tested. So overnight inventory is net long, but Asian session traded lower and it was short, at least to some extent. Now it is a little bit balancing, so it is not trending all the way up. I think that we might see a correction early on, and since it is low volume node from yesterday, I think that we may trade a little bit here, and yesterday's range is quite wide. We are going to open inside value, so until we get out either to the upside or to the downside, it's going to be choppy. So if we trade early on lower, I'm not sure if I can go with a breakdown lower. Maybe if we have an open swing with a really nice impulsive move, then I could enter on a retest to target first overnight halfback and then the settle. If we have an attempt higher, well, similar, I enter on a retest of open swing to target yesterday's high and those higher highs. If we have a failed breakout here, I will short, targeting first this point of control from overnight, and then middle of this range and the lows. If we start and we will be trending lower, I'm not sure if I can enter any trades around here. Maybe in the middle of the day, after we find some excessive move or some exhaustion around the lows, I could enter longs again, or of course if we get excess below yesterday's low. So until then we will going to rotate within yesterday, and value most probably will be overlapping